When you're ready to take a tissue sample, begin by documenting the visual animal ID alongside the corresponding tissue sample unit number. Ensure the tissue applicator is loaded properly. For Datamars TSOs, load as shown in this example.
So I take the gun, I'm going to push this open so that I have space, making sure that the back is on it. I'm going to put that in there and lock it down. And then I'm going to rotate it up here to the top, because when I bend it over, it's a lot easier to latch it when I go from the top than the side. So I hook it on that pin. Then I take this cutter tip off, and I'm going to take that cutter tip and I'm going to put it on this here, pulling it tight to make sure that it doesn't fall off. And then I make sure and squeeze it to see that it's going to line up. And now I'm ready to go capture the tissue of this animal.
Position the applicator approximately 1 inch from the edge of the ear. Avoid veins, ridges, tattoos, dirt, or manure. Squeeze the applicator handles together using a swift motion. Release and free the ear. With the sample complete, dispose of the tab marked "Remove after use" and prepare the applicator for reloading. Ensure the sample is appropriately sealed. Dry desiccant beads will preserve it. Add the sample to the provided box for secondary record, or a sealed plastic bag or box for later shipment. Never freeze the tissue samples. Store the samples at room temperature and away from sunlight for up to 6 months. Next, it's time to submit your sample.